Whoa, holy shit, it's been a long time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome back to Tesla's Wild, and as I said in the beginning, it has been so long and I am so sorry. It's been at least like a month, if not more, since I uploaded my last video. I feel terrible. I miss you guys. I'm not trying to make excuses, but life just got crazy. I was working 60 to 70 hour weeks. I was going to school for my master's in thermal fluid systems. I had final exams, and then when all of that chaos kind of subsided, I came down with the flu, which sucks. I never get sick. It was fucking terrible. On top of those things, I've been trying to maintain somewhat of a normal social life, and I've been single since, carry the two, April, so a long time, and I wanted to try and get back into dating. I downloaded those apps, Tinder and Bumble, and let me tell you, they're fucking garbage, and it's just not the way for me to meet girls. I have some free time, and I wanted to get back into making videos. As I said, I've missed you all, and I truly appreciate your support, and I'm so sorry that I've been gone for so long. Without further ado, let's get into the point of this video. So it's around holiday time, and because I haven't uploaded for a long time, I thought it'd be a good idea to give you guys a fun video. So what we're going to do today is kind of go into the Tesla Dashcam, or the Tesla Cam, but not really an exploration of it. More, I'm just going to show you a bunch of clips that I've caught out on the road, thanks to the Tesla Dashcam being built in. This is a feature that should be standard on every vehicle. Having a built-in dash cam and other cameras around the vehicle to kind of show the whole incident and who's at fault is a great thing to have. So I've got about 7 to 8 clips of people being idiots. So yeah, let's check out these clips. All right, so pay attention to the left lane here. This is a merge onto a highway, but people need to get right while other people need to get left. You'll see a black Tacoma here. He needs to get in front of me, I need to get behind him, so I slow down and do so. Everything is kosher, he needs to get over, and then, nah, I'm not gonna get over. Mother trucker. So yeah, I had to swerve out of the way. This is just a different angle. I don't know, just pay attention. Probably partly my fault, but yeah, I don't know. Not cool, bro. Alright, so if you'll pay attention to the light pole, you'll see 2 signs that indicate these 2 lanes are turn only. This guy should have noticed. Me sitting still next to him should have indicated that as well. I don't know what he was doing, why he wasn't paying attention, but you'll notice that he does something silly. Right into my lane. Like, what the fuck, bro? Pay attention. People are nuts. Alright, so for this one, pay attention to the white truck in the middle of the screen. As you can see, there's absolutely no traffic in front of the 2 in front of us, but he just decides, nah, fuck you, I'm going to cut you off for no reason. There was absolutely no reason for that. Didn't happen to me, but still an idiotic driving maneuver. Alright, so I'm not saying that these are all pickup drivers, but they actually are. I don't know what the deal is, but there's plenty of dick sedan drivers too. Anyways. Getting onto the highway, this is the other place where that guy just merged right into my lane. Pay attention to this white truck. I don't know if he's just like, fuck this Tesla, but he obviously didn't look. Please, just peek over your shoulder, it's not that hard. Here we have an aspiring NASCAR driver in a white pickup truck. He's in the HOV lane, cuts across all 4 lanes of traffic. Then he's like, I'm gonna ride this guy's ass. Now I'm actually gonna cut this guy off so he has to slam on his brakes. Now I'm gonna get all the way back over into the HOV lane. Good job saving a half a second, bro. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put this clip in, but I did. Pay attention to the second guy merging onto the highway right now. I'm not sure what's going on his light. It's not a blinker. I think it's the camera. Anyways, he's being impatient and tailgating this guy. We're all being slowed down by a semi. The guy in front of me passes him. No blinker, and he swerves to get over, but does realize I'm there. Good on him. Now, you'll notice the same guy passing me right here. Apparently, he needs to get off at this exit, all the way from the left lane, so he cuts across 4 lanes of traffic. All I'm trying to show here is be where you need to be, people. It's really not that hard. Alright, so this is not a car or a person being an idiot, it's just a very close encounter with a massively suicidal bunny, apparently. So I was just cruising along in autopilot, having a great morning, drinking my coffee. It's a beautiful day. It's a Friday, and I'm on my way to work
I think this bunny needed to get across the highway to his other bunny friends on the right side of the road, but anyways, make sure you pay attention underneath the sign coming up here. Kamikaze bunny! I killed autopilot, swerved out of the way. Luckily, the bunny survived, and it's a happy ending.
All right, so there we have it. There are a bunch of clips caught by my Tesla Dashcam or Tesla Cam of people being stupid. It is the holidays. People just tend to get more and more crazed, more and more rushed, and things like this tend to happen with higher and higher frequencies. It is understandable, but it's still dumb and putting other people in danger. If you do get a situation like this, the best thing you can do is to just ignore it. Don't do anything to provoke them that would put you or others in danger. You don't know what people are capable of. Off my soapbox now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It probably wasn't inherently useful except for showing off the capabilities of the dash cam. As I said earlier, it's a phenomenal thing to have in the vehicle and to have standard, so other companies should do it. Anyways, if you did enjoy the video, smash that like and subscribe button down below. It does truly mean the world to me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Again, I'm so sorry for how long I've been gone. I truly missed you guys. I truly missed interacting with you all, and I truly missed making content for the channel. Happy to be back with you all. So thanks again for supporting me through this time, and I'll try and be on a more regular uploading schedule.